Alright, this is Nick, Coaster101.com, coming to you from the Columbus Zoo. Today is the opening of Tidal Twist, the new Zamperla ride spinning coaster. Here we go. It's about 30 feet tall or something. First day that swinging ship has been going. You can see the old footers from the former log ride that used to be on this site. Whoa! Whee! The drop! Woo! Whoa! No! Big drop! Whoa! We've been locked into place. Now we're unlocked. Now we're spinning. I'm sitting in the middle seat because I didn't want to spin too much. So far, so good. Oh! Oh, last drop. Whoa! Whee! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Ow! Pretty intense on that last turn. All right. So there's 5 cars. Seat 4 people each. It's a good ride. I'm spinning in the brake run. Looks like it's they look like they're spinning a lot. Very re-rideable ride. You never know how much spin you're gonna get.